नमस्कार। This is the northeast corner of the property, Lali. They put up a water body. Look at how old items have been turned into the beauty. This is the open lawn area. And that door you see at the far end is the library. We'll talk about it. So this is the outside lawn area. So this is the lawn area. They have made arrangements for dinner. And now I'll be moving towards the library that Lali sports. This is the entry. So now we are inside the library. See the decor and the books, and of course a reader there. A great devotee of Krishna, Shant Bhatnagar is. So you can see everywhere the images, the idols, and the imprint of Lord Krishna. Let me show you this beautiful painting of Lord Krishna. Again, the book lover in him has made him keep books, some books here as well, along with the artifacts.
Praises of love, and that's why the color red is associated with love. if you see, not only in our culture, but even in the Western culture, you will paint the town red.
Yeah.
All the emojis of heart are in red color. So red has always been a symbol of love. And therefore, Yashoda used to call Krishna Lal or Lala or Lalan because of the color red. And this is, of course, Janmashtami, so it's Utsav. Here is Ladle Lal, eating his butter ball. Actually, his name is Navnit Priyadini. Navnit Priyadini is the child who likes butter every day. Every morning he wants butter. So his eyes are focused on the butter.
Right.
And he's sitting in this golden cradle with his toys scattered around. This is his favorite toy called Gopi Nut. Then these are Junjunas, Lattu, marigolds, and pull toys. So these are all peacocks.
The wheels are there.
They have wheels. And ये सब गाय, शेर, हाथी, ये सब इनके pull toys हैं. And you know how children play with their toys scattered around the room? This room, the skirting has his toys all
Everything.
over. All over there are toys. And then these are his summer toys. Summer में एक ऐसे marble का एक urn रख देते हैं. And उसमें there are swans and ducks and there is a जलधारा. So प्रभु के भाव से he comes and sits in the middle because it's so hot that he wants to be in water.
Okay.
So these are his summer toys. The boats are also his summer toys. And no Utsav or no festival in India is complete without marigolds, mango leaves and banana trees.
Right.
So I have painted the marigold, on top. This is very Indian also. And then the mango leaves and then these are the kele ke peड़. So ये सब शुभ माने जाते हैं. These are all
Exactly.
festive, reasons to celebrate.
Yeah.
And then this is very interesting. I found this in Shekhawati. So
Okay.
pregnant women make these sheets to offer the newborn whenever
Acha,
the
okay.
child is born. So for 9 months they embroider these sheets.
Okay.
And this is done on the gamcha of the grandfather. So because it's used, it's soft. So उसके ऊपर they make these childlike things जो बच्चों को पसंद आएगी. Fish है, dove है, peacock है, bees हैं, parrots हैं. Lotuses हैं. तो जो बच्चों को पसंद आएगी वैसे motifs they used to paint.
Interesting.
And also they weave these fans. So these are psychedelic. When you wave them, they make psychedelic patterns in the air for a bit. So they're almost like cot mobiles. आजकल वो cot के ऊपर वो मोबाइल लगा देते हैं तो बच्चे आराम से सोते हैं. ये क्या होता था, इससे हवा भी आती थी बच्चे को और वो जो देखता था ना पैटर्न्स, उससे जल्दी नींद भी आ जाती थी. So I've had these fans for a long time, but they found place in Utsav. I have so many more of these fans, but I thought these were so amazingly embroidered by the pregnant mother, the new mother who was going to deliver a child. She would spend her time creatively.
Just doing this.
Yeah. And also I think that energy of you doing something for your child who will be born with an intent that इससे क्या होगा, उनकी नींद जल्दी आएगी. इससे क्या होगा कि इनकी grandfather का गमछा उनके साथ रहेगा.
The warmth of the love.
Warmth and the age, the longevity of the life.
Softness of a used garment rather than a fresh garment
Which
which
would be
is
cold,
which would be a little rough and coarse. So they would do all this. So I thought all the childlike energy has to be brought into this room, and of course the paisleys and all of that brings the Indianness. Then we also printed these. All of these are custom printed for Lali.
Okay.
So these are toys, toy elephants, and then these have the banana tree and the toy elephants. So these were all printed for Lali, and all the everything was custom. And then ये भी elephants and similar to the elephants in the cushion. ये भी बड़ा सुंदर एक fan है. If you wave this, it creates these beautiful patterns in the air.
I never realized when. Okay.
So वहाँ पे 2 crane silver की रखी जाती हैं श्रीनाथ जी के सामने to tell the devotees of loyalty.
Okay.
Because cranes is one bird pair that is very loyal to each other. They raise their child together as a couple, not that the man has to do more or the woman has to do.
Okay.
Equally they divide the responsibility, and if one dies, the other one grieves their entire life. They'll not find another partner. So it's a symbol of loyalty, and that is what I thought we also create at Lali, because Lali has different forms of love, and then again there's fish also. So the बच्चे आते they count the fish. There are different fish within the waves. So ये सब में जगह fish बनी हुई है. So it's an entertainment for them. When because this is a larger room, they can accommodate a kid here or two. So then I always give them a task. इसमें कितनी मछलियाँ वो गिनो. And this has a balcony. We planted about 250 trees around our this house, and now it's become very green. You know, when we
It is very green now.
now it's become very green. But both Devyani and I are very fond of.
Rajasthan has gone green.
It has gone green.
It used to be brown when I used to come here as a kid.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. Seriously.
Not
And we to Jodhpur and not Jaisalmer, but yeah.
Jaisalmer
outskirts. Jaisalmer अभी भी है.
पर वहाँ
But
भी
even
बहुत green
Jodhpur
हो गया.
that way is yeah.
Jodhpur also.
Jodhpur has become quite green.
Very
I've been to Rohitgarh and all those places, interiors as well. But it has.
It has.
Seriously.
Then again, all the daris are handmade by this couple that lives in Sikandra.
अच्छा.
उनको मैंने बोला मेरे रूम का नाम जला, उससे ज़्यादा मैं आपको कुछ नहीं बताऊंगा.
अच्छा.
आपको जैसा समझ में आता है आप बनाइए. ये साइज है. So the wife made this one and she introduced white in
अच्छा.
blue, and then she made a jal and jali over it, and the husband made those two. So his interpretation of waves and
Is
water
that?
is that.
Okay.
Her interpretation, I didn't tell her that मैंने brown किया है. I didn't want to influence them.
Right.
I wanted her and the husband to decide what they want. So even though there are so many different colors, so they all come together. You know, the block printer को भी मैंने बताया मेरे कमरे का नाम जल है. So she made these waves, lehriya,
Okay.
in these colors, blue and blue, and then these cranes.
Cranes again on the.
And then these are done by Brijit Singh. So these are very intricate throws. They have 150 grams of cotton,
Okay.
and the way that they do the tagai and quilting is incredible. It's an art in itself.
This is the same Jaipuri design.
Same design, but
It
this
used to be
one
very
is
light.
very light. But this one is even more because
Like that.
this is done by a French lady who would come and revive block printing, which had completely died.
Okay.
She moved to Jaipur in the early 70s. And she is the one, Brijit Singh was the one who actually, she married somebody from here,
Okay.
Navalkar royal family. And then she started
Revive.
to revive the brass blocks. We
Okay.
see the wooden block, this is a brass block.
अच्छा.
So brass blocks are even more intricate. ये सारे
Must be
brass से
difficult,
बने, very
obviously. Wood से भी ज़्यादा होगा.
कारीगर ही नहीं है बनाने वाले. उसके पास 2 कारीगर हैं.
बस.
अब she's also bound out her business. She's old.
Yeah, she must be really old. Yeah. Talking about 50 years back.
But she had brass के blocks पुराने. So she said I'll print those.
Okay.
Again, we have a very small artist community.
हाँ,
So everybody
actually,
supports
no,
each other. We've kept up and we meet and especially when we keep organizing. Let's do coffee or let's do यहाँ चलते हैं या वहाँ चलते हैं. So at least different age groups. She's 80 plus, and we were at that time in our 20s, but we could have a bond, and that bond has resulted in so many friends helping us out. Like this couple, the block printer, Bridget. So many people.
Lovely.
And I wanted all my friends to be a part of that.
The project.
चाहे वो कैसा भी whatever print may not go, like this cushion is different from that cushion, is different from the throw, is different from the tari, but it somehow all comes together.
They are all gelling together, but you can't say that they are not.
Yeah, they're not, but usually you put the same print everywhere.
Yeah,
In
yeah,
a-
yeah, yeah, that's true.
But I thought वो तो that won't bring my friends' love
Hmm.
into Lali, and that's what I want.
That's what the connect is.
Yes.
The creative connect. Yeah, obviously the creative connect always there.
It helps, and I think it was intentional that I wanted all my friends to be a part of it somehow, which is a good thing. And what's the point of knowing so many creative artists and friends if you don't
Yeah,
have
we
them
don't
as
get
part
it.
of the same project?
I agree.
I can't be like, हाँ अगर मेरा ऐसा कुछ बनेगा which you do,
हाँ.
then I will know this is a digital print.
If वो commercial हो गया ना,
Commercial.
वो commercial हो गया. But this is not commercial, na? This is something which is creative that you talk
Exactly.
about.
And when we are celebrating love, then
Right.
why not?
Yeah, 100%.
So much color inside. I kept this in monotones,
Black.
just black and white. And this is the entire town of Nathdwara. The tallest temple is Srinathji, and then all the 7 peaks. Even though the 7 peaks are scattered now all over India, some is in Kota and Kamwan and Gokul, but I brought them all back together in Nathdwara. All the 7 shikhars that you see are different temples of the Pushti Maya, the 7 temples. And this is the Gaushala, and then where we are standing right now is the river. And these are the dance celebrity. All the elements are about the I think the story should take precedence over
Yeah, 100%.
anything. So it could have been finer, it could have been, but I wanted it like this. I wanted a natural fruit, not so refined also, but you know, more bold. And when you feel like you're standing in the river, you naturally feel cool. So even in Rajasthan, very hot. But अगर आप किसी को बोलते हो कि आप नदी के ऊपर खड़े हो, ये सारी लहर है, तो ये नदी का बैंक है, जहाँ फिश दिख रही है, और फिर वो that is the गौशाला. Then you naturally feel
That you're there.
different. You know, it's what you say. Words have an impact.
It does.
And then पानी की आवाज़ तो आ ही रही है.
हाँ वो बात जाती है भाई.
And then ये जो screens है इसमें भी I cut out these हमारे जो welcome करते हैं इंडिया में, ये गुलाब दानी.
हाँ.
तो ये सिर्फ एक बड़ा स्पेशल वेलकम इंडिया का ही है. Nobody else in the world knows
Yeah,
this. So
true. I agree.
wanted these gulab danis to be cut out because this is the way we used to greet
Welcome.
our guests.
हम लोगों के शादियों में हमारे पास अभी भी
Spray
एक है.
है, एक,
है
हाँ.
हमारे पास हमारे
नहीं, सब घरों में
ट्रेडिशनल
होंगी इंडिया की.
चांदी की है.
हाँ.
हम लोगों के शादी में जब गेस्ट आते हैं
तब
तो उनको
उनके ऊपर
वेलकम
डाल-
किया जाता है.
पहले
गुलाब
तो-
का फूल दिया जाता था और
ये
जिससे हाँ
गुलाब के फूल में वो मोर पंख डालते थे.
Exactly.
प्लांट आता है.